Being on two platforms at once doesn't have to be hard with Plann. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a reel for Instagram and then repurpose it over on TikTok. Let's get started. On your grid, you'll see a few different tabs. Go ahead and select Reels. From here, let's upload our content. Now let's go ahead and add a caption, some hashtags in our first comment, and get it ready to post. We'll go ahead and select the date and the time. You'll want to toggle on auto post if you're auto posting this content, and you can decide if you'd like to share it to your main grid as well. And then select schedule reel. Now we want to recreate this reel for TikTok. Go ahead and hover over the post and select the three dots in the left-hand corner. From here, select recreate for TikTok, and then go to see post. And now we're over on our TikTok account, and we can easily see that our video is now here with our caption, and all we need to do is select the time that we'd like it to post and then go ahead and schedule it. And that's it. It's so easy.